In this video, I'll show you how to see ignored friend requests on Facebook and explain what information is available. If you've ignored or deleted a friend request, it's important to know that Facebook doesn't provide a separate list of ignored incoming requests. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Tap the Friends icon or open the menu and select Friends. Then tap Friend Requests to view your current pending requests. Review the list to see any requests that are still waiting for your response. If you've already ignored or deleted a request, it won't appear here because Facebook removes it from your pending requests list. If you're trying to reconnect with someone whose request you ignored, tap the search icon and enter their name to find their profile. If their profile shows the Add Friend button, you can send them a new friend request if you'd like to connect. Keep in mind that Facebook doesn't offer a history or archive of ignored friend requests, so once a request has been dismissed, it can't be viewed again through the app. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.